Jumatatu wengi wano mwanchu muligere begetaseni kya Ndizi TV Chinsa Ikomi chabana magoroba chinga kine aliganire kurugaiga ase studio egera nkumanye asenchira yobwenge nararia yagendrete gokoreka ime na isiko yorongorwa Gusii nyorali tukolia rero nigo abakenya korwase county au banyareko baba gwikirania maandamano ayorangere tuno murayiwe kya makia Raila Odinga abwase bono agendrete bororo ase county ya Nairobi ase Chinsemo au gati yabo Kawangware omwanchu mulireria ayongati yalia na kwalganiria senchira yobwenge ngogo sabobe naintwe gweika omwelio asibali bagotobwate gwetera senchira yemitandao no tole Ndizi TV News Digital abone nsema ya Facebook Live na boigo YouTube Ndizi TV News and na bogo tweet at Ndizi TV News osoto makarangarikia obutambi gwetera se namba ya SMS ekoba ase TV yao nguhira nande bono nkumanye ayo mananda mange asenchira yobwenge. Ncheni gonkoro kwa sara Nyarangi Ontita no leto kubwatera na komo kurwa sensemo yebimenyererio niga koro kwa Joshua Auta toya chake kurwa se county ya Nyamira asensemo ya Nyamakoroto abwase amate nabairi nabasani banyagusira more manyagechi no muryo yemongina morema abanyara ko bagwito nabantu bataramanyikana gwikabono asenka yabo aba banyara ko bagweso kiana kogikeria egakoro ekyo asibabolria abanyanyimbo banyara ko bagwikirani obotuki na sebirengo bigoro mono ose kwangoya obotuki obona kumanya buna ningo oikeranetie egakoro kerikiarenge kyobosoku amone kyobwoba muliketuwa magana mayakoro ase county Nyamira job mangi nagenda tukubwatyo roboti uruo kolende eyanere nkwana kurwa sabaire na basani
ndugu yangu Morema alitoka hapa kwenda kujitafutia huko ngambo amejaribu kwa hii mji ya Nyagechi kuona ya kwamba watu wanaishi vizuri kama sisa yake Florence alisema na marafiki na sisi zote tumenyanganywa mtu katika sehemu zetu mtu wa maana sana
kubolinga ase a national government security mwale gwanja eba system yenseye kero kende no security neto kongerete kiagere no nyemba liboka bali bagotogo tebangana ubagotolenda ntuli kobege na chichinga kichinde gaki ekeremo gukora this investigation gaki make sure kiagere kirio gukorero yomine nseye naye na kyo gocha gukorerwa make sure ngonga gaki Grace na Edward banyori justice
tumuwa bali bali ngumbu inkanse ito ano abantu baito bale no abatata bale omoro minto no bali kikazi abantu bonse no
omorobeli obwo kwena na chibasari ase bunge ya Nyaribali Masaba county ya Kisii no cha kabene lituko lya lero awasomo bunge bwensemeyo Daniel Manduku amonaba MCA kurwa Sorogongorwo bacha kyabene morobeli bwo kurwa chibasari bunenchere mayogo konya abana bakurwa ase chiamate kitali kwenyara amona abana bali chintakana nigo morobeli yogendrete bunenchere mayogo kinie birengo byechisemi asumulikitu bamangana maya Mildred Momanyi ara senseme yogo twaliganira roboti rwa senchira yobekiranu ekyoro chegabo mwanchu muligereria nechibicha nga nararia yagendrete asenseme yo ya Nyaribali ya Masaba otigana kurwa Nyaribali Morobelio bokuruwa bokonyi nigo gendrete ase skuru yoboroso ya ititi abwase omo women rep we county ya Kisii Doris Donya Toto omobunge Anthony Kibagendi amonomo MCA Richmond Manani bonsi korwase bunge ya Kitutu cheche South bagendrete kurobo konyi ochiasa bamenyi bense meyo boigo echioro chene chibicha oroboti asenchira yoboikere no mulikitu bamangana maya Ndemo Steven Captain 001 nagendete kwarigania ochikonyora se Chinsa chikobwatia. Chingaki okorobekana kogenderete kwenekigwa ase chinsemo au ime yense ya Kenya abamenyi korwase county ya Migori nigo beso kya sobonge elio gwikirania okobolio kwa boletigwe no muraibe kya makia ODM Raila Odinga kolengana na barabon nigo bamochiria serikali asogotayeria magori ebinto byengencho gati abo bosiene binto binde asabaigo batebiro bogima nigo bogenderete kumapa nigo bono baikiranira samandamano unenchere moyo kubetereria serikali gwikirania magenderero na gwikirania okobolia okukogenderete korwegwa na Raila Odinga.
Yani kumaanisha this thing we are doing it peacefully. So the demonstration is on a peaceful maandamano. Kama hivi gharama ya maisha iko juu, fuel iko juu, jamani, kila kitu iko juu. Sasa ndio tunapanda mahindi na sasa mahindi ni 200 Kenya shillings. My friend, tunaenda wapi? Gorogoro moja. Saa zingine uko na watoto sijui 40 na ngapi. My friend, tunaumia. Sasa ningesi watu wa Migori wajitokeze, tufanye maandamano kwa ukweli, kwa haki na ukweli. Tiende kocha.
Boigo ase county ya Siaya ime ya Bondo abamenyi boigo nigebeso kia separa kolera ogokonga kwa obogima aiga sense ya Kenya asaboigo baikirana samandamano yeli tukolia lero echiokorora abu mwancho muligereria nechibicha nkigia kolekana asense ya Bondo. Boigo ensema ya Kitale gotoka se county ya Trans Nzoia nigo boigo abamenyi beso kya elio gwikirana asa mandamano asikolenda abo bisaba banyanyimbo barolekana bakubaseberania abamenyi abo beso kya elio gwikirania amandamano ayo. Watigana nukorobekana kweli tukolia lero mwancho muligereria tuende gwikase county ya Mombasa abwasomo waziri bwa mangana yoberani bwa mangana gose ICT Eliud Owalo anyara ko baga kuchakia bene umurubiryo o ICT and digital economy asalingena babwatani ao abwasa aerera chinchira chabene mne serikali yaimokirie asokwene kyabune mirubiryo yonsi egokora yanyarira ko bage kubekwa ase chinchira chekerero gose digital platforms.
Both ICT infrastructure and then the requisite level of ICT skills in place, ladies and gentlemen, then we believe as government, we should then be able to digitize all government records and digitalize all government services, so that all government services will be available aboard technological platforms. As government, we have already gone ahead and taken over the e-citizen platform that hitherto was in the hands of the private sector. It is now a fully fledged government entity. At the point when we took over the platform, which was about 2 months ago, we had only a meager 350 government services aboard that platform. As we speak today, I'm happy to report that we have already identified a total of 5,700 services that can be onboarded on the technological platform, but also gone ahead and onboarded a total of 3,200 services as at today, within a period of 2 months. So the proposition of 5,000 services, government services aboard technological platforms that has already been publicly espoused at the highest echelons of government by none other than His Excellency the President himself is both realistic and attainable. If anything, we will surpass that time.
Omo waziri oyoboigo nigaene kia buna omwaka bwechiri 2024 omutinyo kabere nigo abakenya barachigutwara na gutumeka ekibande giekerero boigo unenchere moyo kwarobia obokoreri andonsi ase bagucha.
Recognize the fact that if government services are fully digitalized, then it does not make sense for members of the public to interact with the government by physically visiting government services, government offices, and identifying themselves using the current identity card in its manual form. So the other frontier that we are pursuing is to ensure that we have a digital identity for all Kenyans. And it is our estimation that if we embark on that process as soon as possible, we should have all Kenyans having a digital identity by February next year, so that government is able to identify whom it is transacting business with virtually. And Kenyans also will then be able to transact business with government from the comfort of wherever they are, without necessarily having to visit government offices. And perhaps this will be one of the easiest ways, ladies and gentlemen, of also doing away with the traffic jams we are witnessing in most of our towns, because we have got a critical mass of Kenyans going into town, visiting government services to consume or to uptake those services. We believe that through that digital identity, we should have an optimal level of uptake of government services digitally.
Ensemo ya bamenyi korwa sensema ya Kijiwe Tanga imeye kaunti ya Kilifi nigobeso kiri na kolera okuburwa westima asege kegetambe bono egento kyaire na gutenenia emirobere yabo ya kiraritiko nigobego bamochirie e company ya Kenya Power and Lighting ase ogotemo kegetambukero kende gionsi no nyanga batemire ko baikera ase chintunda chintambe.
1 p.m. Power was restored, but did not last. Again, after 2 hours, it is off. Now, looking at these power lines, even if power is restored today, we are not even sure how long it is going to be sustained, because looking at these power lines, they look precariously and dangerously low. I don't know whether Kenya Power is waiting for us to lose somebody before they respond, but truly, we are not engineers, but we can see it that this is a safety hazard. As a community, we demand that power is restored, because this is our right. We are paying for these services, and we need to get value for our money. We further demand that the branch office, they should be more responsive to the plight of the consumers. Because it is one thing to report, but it is another to respond to the same problem that you've reported.
When power comes, it comes like 1 or 2 hours, then goes off again. And that's not the only problem, because the line that we're using is very notorious for low voltage. And sometimes you see that the lights are not working, but you see that the customer interface is showing you that there is power. So this is a place that we have a lot of problem with power.
You know, like hiyo shida ya stima, mimi sasa nimeanza kusumbuana na watu wa stima Malindi. I remember 2018 kuna mtu aligongwa na stima hapo kwangu kwa nyumba. Na nilikuwa nimefuatilia kama wiki 3 wakuje warekebishe hiyo waya. Kila siku wanasema tunajua tunakuja. Hiyo ndio slogan wanakuanga nayo, tunajua.
Nara yuasabano mwanchu mulgerelia kulinda mangi kuraga ensa AMO amone Chinsa isato chibutuko lero igoto baisa gosuka kora Ndizi TV nero bwansu Gusii ande to wakangambia manasi bali mwensi mwato watire gwetera senchera ye mitandao buna Ndizi TV News Digital abo Facebook Ndizi TV News abo YouTube na ende bali mogo tweet @Ndizi TV News gendera gokora abo igo ole to watira na komo korwa sense moye bimanyerelio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na ulianake kwa nyolera senchera ya Mariogi nechibi chane mitandao yonsi nigakoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama na inche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.